Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear health-conscious individuals and caregivers, tuning in. Preparing homemade ORS safely begins with accurate ingredient measurements. That's where the homemade ORS recipe calculator from Youthbuddy comes in. This calculator helps you prepare the correct amount of water, sugar, and salt for making oral rehydration solution or ORS at home. Simply enter the required number of glasses, with each glass measured as 200 milliliters, and the calculator instantly updates every ingredient. There's no need for manual calculations, making it easier to prepare the right quantity whenever it's needed. Below your selection, the required ingredients section clearly displays the exact measurements for the number of glasses you've chosen. The calculator also includes the WHO standard formula: 1 liter of water, 6 level teaspoons of sugar, and half a level teaspoon of salt. For 1 glass of 200 milliliters, those measurements are simply divided by 5. A dedicated critical safety rules section highlights the precautions you should always follow while preparing homemade ORS. Measure every ingredient carefully, because adding more salt than recommended can be dangerous. Always use boiled and cooled or bottled drinking water, and never boil the mixture after adding the sugar and salt. Discard any leftover ORS after 24 hours and seek medical help if dehydration becomes severe. Remember, this information is provided for educational purposes only and should never replace professional medical advice. Following the recommended measurements and safety guidelines helps you prepare homemade ORS safely and accurately. For more details, click the link in the description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.